Climate situation of 2025. The world faces unprecedented heat, floods, and droughts. In 2025, the signs of climate change have appeared across the world in unprecedented ways. Extreme heat waves, severe droughts, floods, and storms have affected the economic, social, and humanitarian conditions of many countries. In Europe, during the summer season, temperatures reached up to 45 degrees. In France, Spain, and Italy, health centers reported an increase in emergency cases caused by the heat. In South Asia, especially in India and Pakistan, temperatures rose to 50 degrees Celsius. Power systems were damaged due to the excessive load, and restrictions were imposed in many cities. In Africa, prolonged drought has caused shortages of drinking water, and the agricultural sector is facing a severe crisis. Concerns about rising hunger levels have also been reported. Conversely, some South Asian countries have faced widespread flooding due to monsoon rains. Thousands of homes in Bangladesh, Nepal, and China were damaged, and agricultural lands were submerged. In Nigeria and Sudan, river overflows have triggered new waves of displacement. In the United States, the storms of 2025 were stronger compared to the previous year. Widespread financial losses were recorded in Florida and Texas, and major evacuation operations were carried out in coastal areas. Caribbean islands also did not escape the impact of these storms. The rate of ice melt in the Arctic and Antarctic regions has increased compared to previous years. According to scientists, the reduction in ice cover directly contributes to rising sea levels, posing a serious threat to coastal cities. Scientific reports show that global temperature rise is accelerating, and that carbon dioxide levels have reached the highest point in recorded history. Wildfires have also increased in Australia, Greece, and the United States. The United Nations has warned in its recent meetings that if countries do not take collective and practical steps to reduce carbon emissions, the coming years will bring even more severe climate events. The European Union, China, and the United States have announced new projects for clean energy expansion and emission reduction. In conclusion, global experts emphasize that climate change is not merely an environmental issue, it is a major threat to the global economy, health, and security. What's your opinion on this year's climate events? Which countries do you think were affected the most? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to FactScope for more investigative and informative videos.